Welcome to Interactive Science Teaching Experimentation course. This is a part of Reflective Teaching with ICT, that is RTICT program, which is offered by the Center for Education, Innovation and Action Research. The center is a part of Tata Institute of Social Sciences. My name is Shamin Padarkar. I am an assistant professor at TIS. I have been part of the team which designed this course, and I will be your primary course instructor. Others from TIS will also help in facilitating this course. You can pause here if you want to read more about me. Here is some basic information about this course. It is worth 2 credits as per the UGC norms. The total duration of the course is 6 weeks. And all you will need to complete this course is a computer or a smartphone with internet connection, science textbooks, a journal or a notebook to note important points, record observations, and express your thoughts, and access to a classroom or at least a group of students with whom you can interact with. Here are the objectives of the course. At the end of this course, you will be able to make your views about nature of science explicit. You may also revise some of your views, appreciate the role of history of science in teaching science, understand the crucial role of experimentation and reasoning in science and science teaching, and contextualize experimentation and argumentation in science pedagogy in an authentic way. Here is some more information about the course. This course focuses on 2 interconnected themes: nature of science and role of experimentation and argumentation in science, which are covered in units 1 and 2. The remaining 3 units, that is from unit 3 to 5, provide material for implementation of students' modules. Readings and activities in the first 2 units will help you to appreciate the modules. The modules discussed in this course are ecosystem, health and disease, sound. These are exemplar modules which showcase how history of science, experimentation and argumentation can be brought authentically in science classroom. Out of these 3 modules, you have to implement any one module. Module implementation is a compulsory component of this course. It may happen in parallel with the course if that suits your teaching schedule, so we recommend that you plan your work ahead. Here is the assessment plan. There are 10 MCQs in each unit and there are 5 units. So there are 50 marks secured for multiple choice questions. Ten marks are reserved for module implementation reporting, where you will have to upload 3 photos of your implementation. Also remember to click the checkbox which confirms that you have implemented the module. There is a subjective assignment based on module implementation worth 15 marks. Similarly, there is a final assignment worth 15 marks, which is again subjective. In the final assignment, there are 2 options. You can choose any one out of them. And finally, there is a post test, again multiple choice questions worth 10 marks. Please go through all the modules and attempt the multiple choice questions in each module. Choose any one of them for implementation. Again, classroom implementation of at least one module is necessary component of the course. The 2 assessment times which are compulsory are marked in the table. You will have to attempt the implementation assignment in the corresponding module, and the certificate will not be issued unless you implement the module, even if you secure passing marks. Thank you, and looking forward to a fruitful interaction. All the very best.